Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set read caller names aloud to always or over Bluetooth and headphones only in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity, and here click on answering and ending calls. Now here you will see a read caller names aloud option on the top, so tap on this option and first of all turn on the read caller names aloud button, and after turning on this button you can set the read caller names aloud to always or over Bluetooth and headphones only. So just simply tap on a option to select. So if you want to set it to always, then select always, and if you want to set the read caller names aloud to over Bluetooth and headphones only, then select the first option. So that's how you can set read caller names aloud to always over Bluetooth and headphones only in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.